नील बैनर्जी।
नील कैसा लग रहा है आपको अभी?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
बताओगे अपने बारे में?
He was treated in August 23 for his cancer of tongue, and today he has visited us for a follow-up, and we'll see how's his speech and how is he feeling. We also have his father. He's helping him uh, throughout his treatment till now.
नील बैनर्जी। नील बैनर्जी। नील बैनर्जी।
नील कैसा लग रहा है आपको अभी?
डॉक्टर बाबू अच्छा चिकित्सा किया है मेरा, and I'm very happy that to be treatment under him.
I have got the confidence while I first met him. He came down to rescue us. So that is why whatever he will say, we will have to obey that things. And I know that my son will be in a good shape and cancer free.
How do you feel about the treatment and how are you?
So after the treatment went on for the post-operative, it was slightly difficult for me to speak. Now, as of now, after doing the exercises and the follow-ups and the taking the precautions what need to be done after the operations, like by grace of God, is absolutely fine for me. I work, I do my all the activities on a regular basis, and also in terms of my tongue, the operation which has done on my tongue, it's absolutely fine. I can able to move my tongue. I can do the exercise by watching the YouTubes and the also the exercises which has been preferred me after the operations. So thank you very much for treating me as not a patient, as a family member. So that means a lot to me, and the staff, the support staff also very kind, and they treated us like a family member. So here I am after 1 year, I think so, and I would rather recommend to visit Manish Tiwari, and he changed my life. So I would rather recommend to come and visit Chanak and to visit Manish Tiwari. As of now, one of the best we have got the surgeon of oncology.
The God in front of me is sitting.
Thank you very much for giving me a second life, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.